Hey guys, welcome back to Twins and Binge. Today we're going to be making Kerala fish fry. We're going to shallow fry our fish in coconut oil so that gives that good flavor. We're going to make a quick marinade in which we're going to coat the fish and then we're going to shallow fry it. The prep and the cook time together is around 30 minutes. The prep time takes 20 minutes and the cook time takes 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to put the items and also the prep in the description below. So please have a look at the description if you have any doubts regarding the items for the marinade, and all the details will be there. So let's take a look at the ingredients and get started. Okay, these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Basically ginger and garlic in a 1:1 ratio. This is coconut. Then we go for the Pompfret. Then onions, chilli powder, and then finally curry leaf. And I love this because it gives the dish a lot of flavor. Yes, I almost forgot. This is like coconut oil. Most of Kerala cuisine, they actually prefer to use coconut oil. Let me get the onions done and then I'll do the mixture and we'll start cooking. We're going to do a shallow fry. Add the coconut oil according to your vessel shape and size. Once the oil is hot enough, take a piece of fish, put it into the marinade, scoop up like a pretty large portion of the marinade. So yeah, so you can just add some more marinade on top later. This is how it looks midway. So flip, coat with marinade, flip, coat with marinade, flip, coat with marinade. So the finished product looks like. Once the fish is cooked, add curry leaves. Yeah, I think it's ready to plate. It's really good. It smells so good. Hi Ma. I would like to thank you all for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I will join you guys soon again. Until then, Twins and Binge.